the fact that if we're wanting to work with harmony, we need a particular scale, because some of these scales that might work great for melodies don't work so well when we're trying to build chords and harmony. And that's where the major scale comes in, because building off of those notes works really well. So if you've ever heard about the major scale before, or if you've heard a singer go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, well, you've heard a major scale, and there's a reason why that ends up being the most important scale in our tuning system, because most music is built from it. Whenever you hear something that sounds musical, you turn on a song on the radio, you go to a concert and you hear a classical symphony, or you go to a jazz show, chances are, if it sounds musical, it's coming from a major scale. Now, we might have to sit there then and think about, oh, what's a good major scale that we can work with? But again, the keyboard is really nice. It's a very intuitive instrument, and in fact, one of our major scales is right in front of us, and it's the C major scale. If you play from C to C, just the natural notes, just the white keys, you'll get your major scale. And, well, there it is. It's right in front of us. So this is the fun thing here, and this is how, even if you have very limited piano ability, you can start experimenting, because this takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. We don't have to worry about any notes that aren't in that scale, and as such, we don't have to worry about any of the black keys, and as such, our every other letter pattern can just be moved around, and we end up with 7 potential colors or harmonies available to work with. Great. Next, we want to be able to build melodies. Well, again, all of these notes are going to work together. So right off the bat, when we sit down at the piano, we can work with a key, the key of C. And this is, by the way, when people say, oh, this is a song in the key of this, or this is a prelude in this key, or the key of this song is X, Y, Z, G, B flat, D, anything like that. It's just musical shorthand to say, this is a song primarily written with the notes coming from this particular major scale. And the key of C, on the piano at least, is a very physically easy one to play.